Hey there, Foxtecc community. Today we're delving into a topic that might sound familiar but often comes with some questions. Data roaming on your iPhone. What exactly is it, and how can you turn it on? Let's break it down. Firstly, data roaming on an iPhone is the ability of the device to connect to the internet and use cellular data when you're outside your home carrier's coverage area. Essentially, it keeps you connected, even when you're traveling internationally or in an area where your primary carrier doesn't have coverage. Your iPhone can tap into other available networks, usually through partnerships with local carriers. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of turning on data roaming. Access your iPhone settings and navigate to the cellular option. Within cellular, look for and tap on cellular data options. Here you'll find the essential toggle for data roaming. Switch it on, and voila, your iPhone is now ready to use cellular data outside your usual service area. If, for some reason, enabling data roaming isn't working or isn't available, it's time to reach out to your carrier. Contact them to confirm if data roaming is part of your plan and can be activated. They'll provide the necessary insights and assistance to ensure you stay connected wherever you go. While you're in the cellular settings, you might notice other options like voice and data mode. These settings allow you to choose your preferred network type and adjust data usage according to your preferences. However, the key step for using data outside your standard coverage is, of course, enabling data roaming. Before we wrap up, take a moment to check out the Foxtecc educational platform. It's free to access, and the link is in the description below. We've got a variety of courses available, including the comprehensive Dynamic Island full guide, plus stay tuned because I'm working on a paid course, the Ultimate iPhone Guide. Thanks for tuning in today. Foxtecc family, if you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, consider doing so for more tech insights. Your support means a lot. Until next time, peace.